Hello everybody, today we will be working on task 4, pizza delivery. So let's take a look at some of the delivery orders from today. So we're going to do the first order together and then you're going to do the second order on your own. So it says pizza delivery order number 1. Type of pizza, cheese, how many? 3, cost per pizza, $8, and we need to find out our total cost. So if it's per pizza, remember that per, it's another way to say each. So each pizza is $8. So we are going to multiply that 3 times 8. Let me get my pen over here. So you have 3 times 8 for our cheese pizza. And again, 3 times 8, you're just adding up 8 3 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24. I hope you've been practicing your math facts. So I'm going to put our dollar sign in here, $24.00, $24. Next, we have our pepperoni, 2, and each pizza is $8. So again, 2 times 8, 2 times 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. And then bacon and mushroom, we have 3 of them, $8 a pizza, 3 times 8, same as above, $24. And then there is a delivery charge of $5. And then we have to add all of these up. So I'm going to do this on the side here. And again, you don't want to do too many numbers at a time. So you can just do a couple at a time. So you can do 24 plus 16 to start. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 40. Then we're going to add our next 24 in here. So 24 plus 40. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then lastly, we need to do that delivery charge. So add that 5 in. 5 plus 4 is 9. Bring down the 6, so $69. So again, make sure you are putting your dollar sign, which you can do shift, and on my computer it's the number 4. It should be on one of the numbers on your computer, and then 69.00 to show money. So we filled in our chart here. Then we have to answer the questions. It says, how many pizzas were ordered all together? So to find that, we are going to look at the column that says how many pizzas. We're going to add these up. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we can, in this box, again, double click to fill it in and just write your number 8. What fraction of the pizzas are pepperoni? So remember, fractions are parts over wholes. So we see that there are 2 pepperoni out of our total, which is 8. We just figured that out. There are 8 total pizzas. So 2 pepperoni out of our total 8 pizzas. So over here to write your fraction, you're going to write your 2 and then the backslash sign and then an 8. We can't write it up and down just because it's hard to do that on the computer. So again, use the backslash sign. It might take you a while to find it on your computer, but I promise it is there. And then it says our number form. So it's asking to write the number form again. So you're going to do 2/8. And then you can just hit the enter key and it'll go down to the next line. And then your word form, so you're going to write 2-8. Remember that THS. I'll bold it for you. Remember that THS is very important when we're talking about fractions. So 2/8, 2/8. And then what fraction of the pizzas are bacon and mushroom? So again, we're going to go look over this chart. And we have 3 out of our total 8s. So our number form, we're going to write 3/8. Then hit enter. Oh, and see how it changed in my computer a little bit. So if it does that on yours, that's fine. If it doesn't, if it just stays like that, that's also fine. Just go with whatever the computer does. And then again, 3 hyphen EIGHT, oops, EIGHTHS. Again, don't forget that THS. It's 3/8. All right, so we filled out our chart and then we also answered our questions. So now it is going to be your turn. You're going to go to the next slide. You're again going to fill out the chart, see how many, what you need to multiply and put over here. Again, answer your questions. And this last one says circle the fractions that have a numerator of 5. Remember that numerator is talking about our top number. So I see 1 right off the bat, and then it looks like you have to look at some pictures. Take the circle and circle which ones, there's going to be more than 1, has a numerator of 5. So if there's more than 1, you're going to have to do your copy and paste technique. So right click, copy, click off of it, right click, paste. You have another circle. So I can already see we're going to do that one. And then you have to figure out which other ones have the numerator of 5. And then, so that means you're going to do slide number 7. And then let's look at slide number 8. It says, at the grand opening, we surveyed people to see their favorite type of pizza. Here are the results. So you're looking at this table and you're just filling in your pizza. So cheese, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 5 slices of these are going to have cheese. Again, you're going to have to do your copy and paste. So you click it, right click, copy, click off of it, right click, paste. And you just click on it and drag it. And again, you're going to have your 5 slices. And so you're going to fill in this pizza. That's slide 8. And then slide 9, you are going to look back at your chart for these questions. So you're going to have to go between 8 and 9. How many people prefer each type of pizza? So over here, I left you some comments to help remind you. It says use the graph on slide 6, count how many people like each type of pizza. So going up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're just going to put in that number 5. Again, double click in the box, fill it in. So you're going to fill all these in, and then what fraction of the people prefer each type of pizza? Remember, number 2, it says for number 2, when it asks for a fraction, you're looking for the number of parts out of the whole. So I did the first one for you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 12 total parts. So 5/12. So if I know that I have 12 total here, think about what all of these denominators are going to be. And then number 3, it says all together what fractions of people prefer cheese and pepperoni. And now when you are adding fractions together, you add the numerators and then you keep the denominator. So that denominator should stay what number? Whoops. Should stay what number? And then your numerator should change to something different. Again, just try your best. When I look through these, I'll leave comments on the side to see how, if you need to change anything. So again, we did slide 6 together, so that will be filled in when you click on the link on the next slide. And then I need you to do 7, 8, and 9.